Look, every guy today is rocking the same fade haircut. But be honest, does it even look unique anymore? Not really. And let's face it, fades can make you look a little childish. But when you keep a simple, clean, mature hairstyle, your whole vibe changes. If you feel like fades don't suit your face anymore or you want a more grown look, this video is made for you. Let's get into 5 clean hairstyles that instantly make you look mature. 1. Classic side part. Not flashy, not loud, just pure style. Top, 3 to 4 inches. Sides, short but not faded. Blended softly with the scissors. Create a clean parting on the opposite side of your growth and comb with a slight lift. Keep it natural. For styling use, light hold cream or sea salt spray. If you want something even more simple and low maintenance, this next one is perfect. 2. Regular haircut, no fade. For guys who want a neat, mature look with zero effort, tell your barber. Only scissors, short sides, medium top, soft edges, no trimmer, no hard lines. Shape it with your fingers, and you're done. But if you want something modern with natural flow, check this out. 3. Medium length, modern slick. Top, 4 to 5 inches. Sides, short but naturally blended. Everything brushed back. Smooth, clean flow. For styling use, sea salt spray, blow dry backwards, light cream to finish. If you prefer longer hair with a natural vibe, the next one fits you perfectly. 4. The flow hairstyle. Perfect for guys who love longer hair and a natural, effortless look. No hard lines, no sharp edges, just your natural flow. I also made a full flow hairstyle tutorial. That video crossed 21,000 views. Watch it if you want the step-by-step guide. But if you want a clean hairstyle that suits literally every face shape, this last one is unbeatable. 5. Classic taper with natural volume. Top, 3 to 4 inches for natural lift sides and back. Gradually tapered, not faded. A taper simply means the hair gets shorter as it goes down. Smooth, clean, and natural. Tell your barber. Keep the top long. Taper the sides and back slowly. No high fade. If this helped you, the next video will level up your look even more, especially if you want a hairstyle that matches your face shape. Click it now.